Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, today we're going to be using the Divi Supreme Modules plugin, and we're going to be making this mask text right here, and that's a pretty eye-catching thing to have on your site. So let's get started. It's really easy to do with Supreme Modules. Let's enable the visual builder. Once enabled, let's go down to where we want to work. And what I'll do is I'll just get rid of this one here. So I've got a row with a single column in it. I'm just going to delete the module we've got and we'll start from scratch. So I'm going to hit the little dark button to add a new module. Divi comes as standard with all these modules, plenty enough to build just about any site with. When you add the Supreme modules, you get all these bluey sort of purpley ones here, and there's about 42 of them, and they really are a great addition to the Divi theme here. And today we're looking for the Divi mask text. There it is right there. Okay, and put in whatever it is you want for your headline. Whatever it is you want to say, and as you can see, it puts it in there for us. Now we have to decide on an image. Well, at the moment my text itself isn't really large enough to put an image behind. We'll put one in there, but we need to adjust it so we can see more of whatever we put behind. Now I've got an image of some fire here. I'm just going to simply put that one behind it. As you can see, it has done that for us, but again, it's not really what I'd call a headline. So let's go to our design now. We'll go to our mask text. Let's make it a lot bigger for a start so we can see it. Let's use a different font, and Divi's got hundreds of fonts to choose from, and if you hover over them, it'll show you what that actual font looks like. But I've used one before, so I'm going to use that one again, Anton. And that's a bit better. It's kind of blocky. And what we could do also is we could make it all capitals. We can see more of our image behind there now. We'll make this bold. Let's put it in the middle. Now let's get it up in size, just about as big as we can go without it breaking the line there. Probably about there, just about there. Great. Okay, well, as you can see, that's looking more like a headline there, sort of falling off a little bit at the end there with the dark bits of the image. But we can adjust the position of our image. If we go back to content, to mask image, go down, you can decide whether it wants to cover, fit, or the actual size of the image itself. You can also decide whether you want it top left, not too bad, top right, center left, it's not too bad, center, that's not bad either, bottom left, quite like that, it's not too bad, bottom right, that's not bad either. I kind of like the bottom center, wasn't it? Just the bottom there? No. There we go, there's that one. Okay, so that's a bit better, but I still want to adjust it some more because that's still a little bit too dark for me. So let's go to our design. Let's go to our mask text. Roll on down a bit. What we've got here, we can change the letter spacing and if we need to space those letters out or make them close together, however you like to do it. That's actually fine for me like that. But if we roll on down, let's go to our filters, and we can adjust all kind of things with the filters here using the hue. Completely change the colors. Saturation, you can make more of the color saturation there. Brightness is, which is what I probably need to use here, bring that up in brightness. Contrast makes the darks darker and the lights lighter. You can invert it and get some crazy colors going on with it if you invert it. That's the actual opposite of what we've got going on there, but that's pretty eye-catching. Won't use sepia or opacity or blur. Everything else is fine. Actually, let's have a look at blur. No, that blurs the whole image out. That to me is not bad at all, but like I say, play with these filters and you can get some amazing effects. You really can. Work whatever works for you. But I'm going to leave mine just like that. I think that's fine. So let's save our changes. Save draft or publish. And there you have it. There is how to make a mask text headline using the Divi Supreme Modules plugin. I hope you've enjoyed that and found it useful. If you have, please ring the bell, give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once again, this has been Jamie with System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.